How to use Bank of America digital wallet. So all the ways you can use your digital wallet is in store, online, or in app. I'm going to show you all the examples. So basically, in order to set up our digital wallet to use in a store, firstly we need to add our Bank of America cards to your digital wallet. Then look for the contactless symbol in stores is how you can there pay. And then hold your phone up to symbol on the contactless terminal. And setting up your digital wallet to use in app and online, add your Bank of America cards to your digital wallet. Shop, just look for your preferred wallet's logo at checkout. When you're ready to buy, simply click and log in with your ID to pay. So if you want to pay in store, you can use Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. If you want to pay online, we have the options to use PayPal, Apple Pay, GPay, and Samsung Pay. And also in app, we can use Apple Pay, GPay, and PayPal.